Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to make a 3D smart pixel beads creation using your smART Pixelator 2.0 device and the smART Pixelator 2.0 app. Please note that we recommend that you use the app when creating a 3D smart pixel bead creation in order to see how the pieces connect. If you have not used the app yet, you may want to stop this video and watch the app tutorial video first, then come back and restart this video. The 3D Smart Pixel Bead activities allow you to turn your creation into a 3D model. To demonstrate, we'll create the alligator. Find the alligator activity in the smART Pixelator 2.0 app. To get started, make sure your device is connected to the app via Bluetooth. If you're not sure how to do this, please refer to the app tutorial video. From the home screen of the app, tap on the 3D Beads category. The first 3D bead activity that comes up is the alligator. You can see this activity takes about 15 minutes to complete, requires one bead tray, and uses 104 smart pixel beads. Tap the alligator activity. The app also shows you the number of beads of each color that you'll need for this activity. Count out and arrange your beads. Once you're ready, tap the Start button. First up is an in-app tutorial which shows you that you do this activity in the same way that you create a non-3D beads activity. The only difference in a 3D beads activity comes after you have ironed the beads in place. After ironing the beads to create the pieces of the model and letting them cool, you connect them to create a 3D model. Go ahead and place all the required smart pixel beads onto the bead tray. Once you place the last bead, the app will show you how to connect all the pieces to make the 3D alligator. You'll come back to this illustration after you iron the pieces. Remove the completed tray from the smART Pixelator 2.0 device and set it aside. Now you'll need to create the individual pieces of the 3D creation. This step requires an iron and must be done by an adult in a safe setting. Once the iron is heated to its highest setting, lay ironing paper or parchment paper on top of the tray, making sure to cover all of the beads. Gently iron back and forth over the paper to heat up the beads underneath. There is no need to apply downward pressure or force. Once you see that all the beads have melted together, you're done. Turn off the iron, unplug it, and place it in a safe place to cool off. Let the beads cool down for 1 minute, then carefully flip the tray over and let the beads cool for another minute. Gently remove the tray from the beads. Now separate the individual pieces from the ironing paper and let them cool fully. Finally, you're ready to connect the 2D pieces to create your 3D alligator. Go back to the app and refer to the illustration of how to put the pieces of the alligator together. Follow the app to see how the various pieces interlock. That's it. You have completed a 3D smart pixel bead creation. Happy pixelating!